Welcome back guys, it's Crypto Rocko here, and in today's video we'll talk about why XRP price needs to go higher. So Ripple's Chief Technological Officer David Schwartz, I'm going to talk about why he's saying why the price of XRP needs to go higher. Also guys, at the end of this video, as usual, I'll do my technical analysis to give you guys an update on what the price is going at. So guys, without further ado, let's get into the video. So while there are two different entities, Ripple and XRP, sometimes I do call Ripple or XRP interchangeably. They are different and they have got one big thing in common. These two bodies are gifting customers with option of choice while concurrently pushing for the validation and integration of Ripple's three main products: XVIA, XRapid and XCurrent. Right, a question to you guys: if you do not know the answer to this question, do not buy XRP. Which of these three main products does uses XRP? The answer is XRapid, guys. Again, do your analysis and do your own research before buying a cryptocurrency or investing your hard-earned money. This is not financial advice. Do your own research, guys. Unless you do your own research, you're not going to make money and you could potentially lose money as well. So guys, one thing that I'd like to say is people talk about Ripple and XRP. There is a strong relationship between Ripple and XRP. A recent statement of David Schwartz hints to that quite well. And I'm not going to go into the detail of this. If you want to learn about how Ripple's products are working and the integration of XRP, read about an XO called Xspring. Is something that I'm quite interested in particularly, and how they're trying to use it. These are all positive news for XRP that we're not understanding. So in my previous video I talked about XRP sales being up, and this is big news because I talked about why it could be institutional and Wall Street buying it, and we need to buy when it's low. Wall Street buys when the prices are low. They buy when there's blood on the street. They don't buy at the highs like normal people. There's a difference between smart money and dumb money. Smart money buy at the top, and dumb money buys at 5k Bitcoin, and dumb money buys at 20k Bitcoin. So this increase is potentially indication. In my previous video I talked about why I think institutional money could be buying XRP, and this is positive thing. And why does the price of XRP need to go higher? It is because when Bitcoins sold for $1, you couldn't really use them to buy or sell a house. You can now. Bigger transactions require bigger value. The higher price of XRP, the larger payments Ripple can target. Again, this is quite an important thought, important understanding, important logic, because if the bigger transaction require bigger value, if XRP is small, Ripple will struggle to target the big payments that they want to target if they want to compete, again, dare I say, with Swift one day. And I'm not saying they will start competing with them, but if they ever prove that they can deliver the technology, they can do it in a cheaper, faster way. Just one thing guys, if you haven't watched this XRP advert, this is a really interesting advert. It talks about what they're trying to do, their vision of international money transfer and what they're trying to do. And XRP is still Ripple is still a startup. It's a very preliminary stage for cryptocurrency. We are still at an early stage according to me, and if you believe in XRP, it can go higher, and this is the reason why we need the price of XRP going higher, not just because we're invested in XRP, but also for adoption. We want the price to go higher, and if Bitcoin goes up, and if institutional money is coming into Bitcoin and into Ripple and XRP, then yes, there is a potential that XRP can go higher. XRP volatility was light for the better part of the quarter, then surged in the last 2 weeks of the quarter as the price also appreciated. And again, the volatility has been really low. I've been saying maybe do not buy Bitcoin because it's so. If you're a long-term investor and you believe in it, you can dollar cost average. But if you're a trader, you want to see a breakout. And one key level I'm looking at is this level. I'm hoping that it can hold this level, then keep going higher, because this is a key level. There's a lot of confluence on this level. So I'm hoping it can hold this level, this Fibonacci previous resistance line. So it needs to hold this level. There's moving averages here as well. So XRP is growing year in year out. One thing this doesn't talk about is the users of XRP. It talks about XRP sales. XRP users are going up as well. So things are looking positive. One thing guys, just go on Twitter guys, because follow myself, follow these guys from XRP. They provide good content, although he doesn't probably like Bitcoin as much. I like Bitcoin and XRP. You don't have to like one or the other, you can like both. But yeah, follow people, follow myself, follow Corey Johnson. You'll learn a lot about cryptocurrency and Ripple, and I can update people a lot more on Twitter than I can with YouTube videos. So make sure you're on Reddit, Twitter, following and understanding about Ripple and XRP. So that was just a quick technical analysis, guys. I mean, there's not much happening. In the past few days, it's been to such a tight range. There's not much happening. But XRP is looking better than Bitcoin. Bitcoin kind of dumped. XRP hasn't really dumped, and it had that big push up. So XRP is potentially looking better than some of the other cryptocurrencies. Again, if it can hold these levels and Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies go up, XRP could keep going higher. But there is a potential if Bitcoin and cryptocurrency market breaks down and the XRP can't hold these levels, it can break down. Another option is, unlikely option is, even though the market is down, XRP goes up. If Ripple can deliver some great news of XRP adoption and use cases, then even the market goes down, we can see some upward movement for XRP. But that is very unlikely. I wouldn't think that will happen, because money usually flows into cryptocurrency through Bitcoin. So that's the longer term view. Shorter term, you could try and trade XRP, but I'm not trying to trade XRP short term because it's very choppy, guys. I've got experience in trading, and even I'll struggle to trade this market. So be careful if you're trading short term, but long term, wait for the breakout before you jump in. So thank you very much for watching this video, guys. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have enjoyed it, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and also, guys, if you want to win $50 worth of XRP, make sure you scroll down, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification button, and leave your XRP addresses below to win $250 worth of XRP. So thank you very much for watching this video, guys. I hope you've enjoyed it. Smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys soon with another great video. Thank you very much.